This video introduces how to read from and write to an SD card using RL78 G23-128 pin fast prototyping board and the SdFat library. For basic information such as how to install the Arduino IDE and Arduino libraries, and how to write sketches to the RL78 fast prototyping board, please refer to the Quick Start Guide in the Overview section. This video explains how to use the software. For more information about the software, please refer to the Overview section. This video explains how to use this hardware. For hardware details, refer to the Overview section. Please note that this video's explanation is hardware specific. First, install the SdFat library. Select the library icon. Search for SdFat in the Library Manager form and select the Install button. Next, select a sample sketch. Select File. Examples. SdFat. Examples v1. Read-write. Next, connect the Pmod SD to RL78 G23-128 pin FPB as shown on the screen. Connect the SD card to Pmod SD. Then connect your PC and the RL78 G23-128 pin FPB via USB. The overall hardware connections to run the sample sketch are as shown on the screen. Open the serial monitor from Tools. Next, compile and upload. Select Upload on the Arduino IDE to start compiling and uploading the sketch. Done uploading. If the sketch runs correctly, you will see this on the serial monitor, and a file called test.txt will be created on the SD card, with test 1, 2, 3 written to it. If you check the SD card, you will see that test.txt has been created and a string has been written to it. More sample sketches are available on the Arduino Wiki sample sketches page. We plan to continue adding sample sketches using various sensors and shields, so please check back regularly. Please see the Renesas Arduino website on GitHub for details.